Frans Ryssemus here with Compass Real Estate, and what we're doing is a refresh to sell. So basically, you got to look at what things you need and what things you don't need. You don't need to redo the whole thing if you got a good quality going on. Countertops are fantastic. The cabinets are great, but we needed a new stovetop. We need a microwave. We're gonna the sink is fantastic. We're gonna reglaze it. You don't need a new sink. Getting a new top there. Check out the blinds, keeping the light to go through the space. New light fixtures. Light fixtures are key. Paint is key. But if you don't need, if you don't need new floorings, you don't need new flooring. So then you refresh the space. We got the paint coloring happening here. We're gonna redo the balcony flooring so it pops. We're gonna walk into this space. We redid the fireplace first, so it's a 3 color tone. We got the base color tone right here is primer, and then we're gonna color tone this to allow for a little bit of pop. It's staying with neutral colors. Once again, light fixtures. A chandelier light fixture happening in there. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with parking. We've got a great deck outside. Doors, silver hardware, going from the gold to the silver. Doing light fixtures up in here. A good example, bedroom to get, the second bedroom. If you're gonna paint, it doesn't take much for the guy to cut a strip in and put it in. There's some base heaters that you check or repair. If you don't need it, you just repair it and refresh it. For example, we're doing new floors in the bathroom. We're keeping the vanity, but there was a heat lamp and a fan and a kind of a thing here. Didn't need all that from the 1970s. So we refreshed it, reduced it, get it updated. What you can see here, wonderful light. Got the strip going on for the new bedroom light. Refreshing this space. We're gonna put LTV coming in, so new flooring, but what do we do with the bathroom? Just caulk, just tile. You don't need to rip all of that out. It looks great, it works, it's functional. You just need to make sure it's tight, buttoned up, new toilet seats, but the new flooring is gonna get it to pop. And in addition, kind of resetting the light in the vanity. There's a little mirror thing that we redid, and then refreshing the closet. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,000 square feet, and it's standard, it's typical. It doesn't take much, but you gotta bring it up to the level for what buyers are looking for. And that's what this one does, working with Revive, knocking it out. The one thing on this one with Revive, they'll pay ahead of it. So out of the equity from the house, you have equity, you're not paying out of pocket, you're paying at the end and closing escrow. That's a huge benefit for a lot of potential sellers who are saying, hey, I need to do something, what do I do? Talk to me, we work through the Revive product. They also got some AI tools where we can work through Lockstamp and Designer. The contractors, we just knocked it out. Done. We're moving fast and we're ready to go, and there's a lot of opportunity. Just like I said, it's not everything, but communicate with me and there's plenty of ideas out there. Thank you.